Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to geometry. What is demonstrative geometry? Basic concept of demonstrative geometry. Demonstrative geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with the logical deductions and proofs of geometric theorems and propositions. It is also known as deductive geometry or synthetic geometry. In demonstrative geometry, theorems and propositions are proven using logical deductions and a set of axioms and postulates. The axioms and postulates are basic assumptions that are considered to be true without proof. From these axioms and postulates, other geometric principles can be deduced logically. For example, one of the axioms of Euclidean geometry states that a straight line can be drawn between any two points from this axiom. We can deduce that 2 points determine a unique line. Examples of axioms. A whole is always greater than its part, or a part cannot be equal to the whole. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal. If equals be subtracted from equals, the difference are equal. Doubles and wholes of equals are equal. Postulates. A postulate is that elementary statement which we have to assume while making a demonstration. Demonstrative geometry is different from descriptive geometry, which deals with the graphical representation of geometric objects and their properties. In descriptive geometry, geometric principles are applied to solve problems related to engineering and design. The study of demonstrative geometry has a rich history dating back to ancient Greece. Euclid, a Greek mathematician who lived in the 3rd century BCE, is considered to be the father of demonstrative geometry. His book Elements is a collection of 13 books that contains a systematic presentation of geometrical principles and proofs. Euclid axioms and postulates form the basis of Euclidean geometry, which is still taught and used today. Demonstrative geometry has many applications in mathematics and other fields, such as physics, engineering, and computer graphics. It is used to prove theorems and propositions related to geometric shapes, such as triangles, circles, and polygons. These proofs helps to establish the validity of geometric principles and provide a foundation for the study of more advanced topics in mathematics. Demonstrative geometry is also used in computer graphics to create realistic 3D models of objects and to simulate physical phenomena.